Report. What's his status?
Decepticon fire everywhere, sir! We're pinned down!
Ratchet, have you located the intelligence officer?
Affirmative, sir! Unfortunately, so have the Decepticons!
I need her processor in one piece. She's carrying valuable top-secret access codes. They must not fall into Decepticon hands.
Something's wrong, Doc. I can't move my leg.
Ow! For starters, you're in shock. Stay with me now. What's your name, soldier?
Arcee, sir.
Don't call me sir! I work for a living. Name's Ratchet. Got that?
Yes, sir. Yes, Ratchet.
Now listen up, Arcee. This is an electromagnetic pulse generator. I'm going to temporarily overload your consciousness center so I can do a field patch job.
No! You could delete the access codes. They're too valuable.
Don't worry. It'd take a much stronger blast to do any damage to your memory core. Let's get you out of here, soldier. Too hot above ground. Better take the old tunnels. Eat my dust, Deceptor creep!
What are you hiding, Metabot? Wouldn't be an Autobot intelligence officer by any chance. That all you got? You're gonna put me to sleep.
I'll put you to sleep, all right.
Your magnetic powers won't work on these cables. Carbon fiber, non-metallic.
You Decepticon scum!
Oh, I'm not one of them. Name's locked down. I'm what you call a bounty hunter. Decepticons pay real good for info, battle plans, access codes. Your friend should net me some sweet upgrades. Of course, you know what I really live for. Hunting trophies. Like my new EMP generator. Good night. You must have some primo data in that processor, Intel bot. Cause you're gonna get interrogated by Megatron himself.
Bring me the prisoners, bounty hunter.
Use it on me. Full blast. Wipe my memory core.
What? Arcee, no.
Ratchet, the access codes in my processor are crucial to the war effort. If Megatron gets them...
What the?
Overloading the EMP! You all right, Arcee?
Who's Arcee? Where are we? What's going on? Do I know you.
Did the Intel bot give you any information about the access code she was carrying?
She had a name, sir. Arcee.
Yes, I'm aware of that. But this is extremely important. Anything you can do to jog her memory will be crucial to the war effort.
All due respect, Commander, I could talk to her till I'm blue in the face. Well, bluer in the face. But it won't do any good.
I wasn't suggesting you talk.
I'm talking here! Have you heard a word I'm saying?
It's all right, Field Tech. She can't feel a thing.
Unfortunately, she can't remember a thing either. Thanks to that blast from my EMP generator. At least I don't have to worry about repeating that mistake. Sir, something just happened. I'm not exactly sure.
I am. Let's move. Transform and roll out, soldier.
Sirs? I don't understand. What's going on? Where are you taking me?
Welcome to Project Omega.
Do you have any idea what's going on, Ratchet?
What was that, Prime?
What you're looking at, Field Tech Ratchet, is a prototype Autobot weapon of mass destruction. And quite possibly our last chance of defeating the Decepticons.
The Intel officer you treated in the field was carrying the activation codes for Omega Supreme.
She must have planted a fail-safe retrieval program on you. That's why you were able to download her access codes when you performed open processor surgery on her.
So now I'm supposed to upload the code into that thing?
I'm afraid it's not that simple. You see, Omega Supreme was purposely designed to have a very simple processor. With it, he will be able to carry out his mission without hesitation.
In other words, you don't want him to think too hard about all the devastation he's gonna cause.
We're at war, soldier. We do what we must.
Because of Omega Supreme's simple processor, he requires a mentor bot to imprint upon, one that he will take his commands from.
That bot was meant to be Agent Arcee. She was a teacher before she joined Intel Division.
But now, since the recognition code has been transferred, that mentor bot is you, Field Tech Ratchet.
You must gain the trust of Omega Supreme.
And then what? Teach him how to be a doomsday device?
I am Omega Supreme. I am yours to command. I am your pupil, your dependent, your obedient servant.
I am Ratchet. I am your friend.